guys, it's your girl Simply Chyna. Welcome back to my channel. Today is crazy because I just picked up my PlayStation. This was the box that it came in. I opened it, but I figured, you know what, I'm gonna stop myself before I do too much. And here it is, guys. Oh my gosh. Yes, I could hear you guys screaming right now. Screaming.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up.
Let me just put you guys onto game. I got my PlayStation from PlayStation Direct. PlayStation Direct, it was on their first launch. The first launch, guys. Listen to me. I've been helping people secure the win. Okay, we are getting this bag. We are securing the bag. Literally, people have been able to secure the bag. Today is the I'll let you guys know. Today is the 16th. The 16th. They just released another release, guys. They released it at 9:30. So we've been on live since then. We've been on live since then, guys. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I have to do some errands today, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me because I have to grab some stuff for the system, and I also want to grab a game or two. I'm not gonna say which game it is yet, but if you guys have been watching my live stream, I kind of hinted already what I want to watch, what I want to play anyway. So I'm gonna get to it because where I gotta go, they close at 3, and I'm like so behind because of this like launch. So I'll be back. My errands. I needed to grab something to eat because like I'm super hungry, but right now I'm grabbing something to eat really quick, something like quick. I'm just gonna grab a salad with avocado and some fries, and then I'm gonna go to Target and we're gonna get back to trying to catch this stream. Okay guys, so yeah, I cannot believe it. Like I can't wait. Like I don't even know, guys, like I'm not even probably gonna have time. Oh wait, I'm not even gonna have time probably to like play it, but we'll see. So stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Look, I finished my errands. This is now me going to Target. I gotta get a few things, so when you guys see me continue to stream, I have to get a new adapter, to be honest. But at least we secured the system. You already see the back. I'm just curious to see like if they have any accessories. This is the line, bro. It's about to be crazy.
Whenever you guys are done.
Games. They only seem to have stuff for it before. They don't got the games at all. Wild. Excuse me, do you have Type-C adapters?
Adapters as in
for the laptop, like the MacBook and stuff. And then I might have to go to Walmart because this is wild. This is wild. This is just HDMI, right? The projector. It's not what I'm looking for. These are just alright, guys. So they don't have like controllers. They don't have any games. They don't have the adapter. So I might have to just go to Walmart and see if they have anything. So I'm gonna go ring up what I got, and then I'll head out to Walmart. So I'll see you guys there.
Which one is it?
The 5. Yeah. I'm just getting the game behind you.
Oh, SpiderMan.
That's fine.
You have the game already? The fire?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Did you get it from Walmart.com?
No, I got it from PlayStation Direct.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good idea. Was it $4.99? Same price, $4.99?
Yeah, the same price. It's just that to me it was just easier. Yeah, it was a whole headache. So
I got it though, but how much?
yeah, I could imagine.
I'm like, price? 1 second.
Do you know when you guys are gonna put it in store yet, or
It's
no?
hard because since the corona, we're not 100% sure.
You're not.
Hearing all different stuff. Once I heard from a manager, then I would say.
Then you could say.
We're not sure yet.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Alrighty, so that's what they said, guys. You're not sure. I'm gonna try to find an adapter. But I'm back home. I got the Spider-Man. I'm not gonna do this tonight, guys. I'm not gonna have time because I want to help you guys secure this W. So we're gonna go on live again. Wait. We're gonna go on live again. I want to help you guys secure this W. It's been a long day, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. This is kind of just like my first day getting my P5. Yo, oh my god, it's crazy. It's so crazy. It's so real. It's so real, guys. It's so real. But I'm gonna end it. I'll do a separate open box video. And thank you so much for all the support and all the new subscribers. Welcome to the Simply Chyna Gang, where we get nothing but W's. I appreciate all the love that I got. You guys, you are really the best. So we're gonna get off this, get on live, and I'll see you guys in my next video. CC out. Bye.